Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your weekend market analysis for the week of December 12th, 2009. Okay, looking at a 6-month daily view of SPY, really not a whole lot has changed from last week. The market continues to churn and to chop away sideways. Going into an hourly view, we can see a clear upper and lower boundary, a clear upper boundary being around the 112 area, and then the lower boundaries being somewhere around the 109 area. So any clear break above or below will give us a better sense of where this market wants to go. So the longer this market continues to churn sideways, the stronger the breakout will be, because a lot of people will be watching this market in anticipation for some kind of move. So for example, if we get a clear break above, then I'll bet a lot of people who are waiting on the sidelines, including myself, will probably want to jump in and go long in this market. And the same thing is true for the downside. Any downside break, I'm sure a lot of people, including myself again, will probably wait for that signal to go short in this market. So that's why, the longer it churns, the stronger the breakout will be. But we just have to wait for that signal. Now, as far as which way it will break, it's really anyone's guess. It's really hard to say because right now it's about 50-50 chance in terms of an upside or downside breakout. So, we're not really here to predict, but more so in waiting for anticipation for some kind of move. But other than that, there's really not a whole lot that I can say about this market. Let me jump into gold real fast. GLD. Now, last week I mentioned that if the market or if gold continues to slide, we can very well touch this 50-day moving average, which we basically stopped right at on Friday. So I can expect gold to kind of stabilize around this area, probably flatten out a bit, trying to build some kind of base of support first. If I go into an hourly view, you can see somewhat of a divergence going on. Gold continues to slide, or GLD continues to slide, but yet we're seeing divergence with the MACD. So it's starting to look a little bit weak to the downside, and that's why I say we can expect to find some kind of support, especially since this is the 50-day moving average. I would expect to see some kind of leveling off sometime next week. But overall, the uptrend is still intact for GLD. There hasn't been any signs yet that that a downtrend has progressed. However, if we see a nice rally and it doesn't get above this high and it pulls back even further, then I would be a little more bearish on gold. But right now the uptrend is still intact, so we still want to follow the uptrend because that's the current trend right now.